College pun fibro ni kalau ngajeng petip ba kitu kiba syak select nam ta ka Meghalaya Police te pinsayo ba jung kane ka calling letter ada pimpat yo ngatrai bun ba kila yo te pinsayo ba jung kane kin sa phone ya phi leng ba ki mobile phone jong phi ba phila submit ha ka por ba phi submit igi application form jong phi ba phi submit ba phi apply te ki sa phone leng ba gitu ba ki sa send leng ba ka WhatsApp telah don na pleng jung phi ba phila change number por ba apply ber mental ada phimde shu ju number kemyo phi ban call te pisobha ban lek kali na ki police station ki badan ka district ka jung phi manwat jing tip ma na ka nam ta kane la ki mar mental abun ki bayo la himpat yo te yai ap shwa la udang biang number jung phi kin sa phone ye phi we po we bat kin sa send ye kane nam ta ki non kam tehang ne pin hab report bai ka district ko ba phi yo posting ma kon ma la da ai ka to ka list of posting of places te pin hab le report ha ka to ka police station ni shu phi ha Garo Hill phi hab le chapo Garo Hill phi ha Jantia Hill phi hab le chapo Jantia Hill ki bi yo chapo Khasi Hill kin le chapo Khasi Hill rai pin yo bai kum kane baro te under recommendation of the Central Recruitment Board and duly approved by the government of Meghalaya. Please be informed that you are to report before the Superintendent of Police SP is Jantia Hill namar ini ka kane calling letter ide bayo posting hapo is Jantia ti hable report hapo is Jantia Hill clear yet on or before 17 July hable report hash halaneshwa ka khatnyo tarik July Monday from 10 am to 5 pm hable report at Police Reserve Clearian to complete the formalities and you are to bring along the following original document. Man pendep iki formalities baro bat bandra load iki documents ki don kam baro. Ka admit card ngatrai pila don then original educational qualification ki admit card ki result class 10 class 12 ba pidon 4 passport size photo the ST certificate te pan card la ni Aadhaar kawai ni gini la rapidan pan card submit ka pan card la rapidan Aadhaar card submit ka Aadhaar card birth age certificate duly issued by competent authority ka birth certificate tu ang sabidan personal bank account number te phap submit ka passbook ma account number ka don ka tu banadin te xerox ya ka tu ra lang maki original ra lang ka xerox then kini ru phap banthit ka bedding then utensil like eating plate for personal use ki mok ki borti ka mattress kumne ki haban thet lupano kini phapra aktosni civil dress for daily use sabti phong maman gasni phapra domicile certificate wherever applicable yakane te phapan kali bha la kila phone phi phap kali phin le komno phin apply ne la phimpat don phap apply te la kali detail ba markane kade jong Meghalaya Police ngamna tibhas phangata domicile kipan ka bakumno te lakalong ko man apply online jadi ka ju ne em ne te kumta sakali bha then sufficient money for meeting your expense during your stay in Police Reserve Clearian but visa pocket money nam ta jing pelut haka jing sa jong phi haka ka jaka ba phi posting ngatrai ba in para kumne kumut ba pin hap sa no bet kumut haka tu ka reporting date te kila thong tu khat nhiều on or before khat nhiều July dengan try baro bun be kiyo be kaju hi bun be khat nhiều khat prai te sakan mau ban pe tarik no candidate is allowed to appear without the aforesaid document phiapra ekane document kan mau ban print ru khamsuk te di ban ra ekane la claim kan ne phinnam kinam padiang e phi kan mau ba no the idea will be kinam ai ka balai be wan phiap stu imophi the final handling over of the offer for appointment letter will be subject to the initial police verification kin sapan le binak time gine baro ya police verification by your jurisdiction PS and final verification by special branch ya kine baro kisale binak tai of Meghalaya Police you are further informed that you have to undergo medical at Clearian kamut ba lada phio posting ha East Khasi Hill phinle medical ha East Khasi Hill lada phio posting ha Garo Hill phinle medical ha Garo Hill lada phio posting ha West Khasi Hill phinle medical hapo West Khasi Hill kin le lang bain bat ki pulit hi kin yalam maki hi kin don uwe na aru yalam lang ki baro kin le lang ha ka juk pori te sakan mau gitu ki bom papat yo e ka calling letter te lada ubiang nomor yang phi ya apshwa kin sa phone phi uwe po we te lada phila nomor yang phi la ja la ne komno kin nom yo ban contact ya phi te sngoba man le mi ha police station ka badon hapo ka district ke jong phi tangkine jong tip khoble chuan